Just shut the fuck up and understand that your SP is already in love with you. Why would he not be in love with you? Look at how you look. Look at your personality. Look at how you love. Look at how you love him. You're able to understand that. He understands that also. Why would he miss that opportunity? Look at how you are with your family, with children, with pets. Look at how you dress. Look at how you act. Look at how kind you are. Look at how funny you are. Look at your interests. They're fucking interesting. They would love to have in-depth conversations with you all night, every night, because you have something tangible. You have something that is worth it enough for them. They talk to other people and they can't get the same feeling that you give them because they're able to be 100% themselves when they are around you and only you. They feel like they have to put up a mask when they talk to anyone else, their mom, their family, their best friend. You have something on this planet that absolutely no one has, and that is the exact thing that your SP wants and needs. He craves it. There's nothing left to do. Your subconscious mind has already been impressed. You are already in the state of your SP absolutely adoring you and wanting to do absolutely anything in order to be with you. There's literally no need to question. Why would I question having 100,000 subscribers when I already have 100,000 subscribers? Why would I question living with my partner when I'm already living with my partner? You get to live the princess fairy life that you deserve. You get to live the prince life that you deserve because you already have it. You're already going on dates with him. You're already living with him. You're already married to him. You are already having children with him. There's nothing left to do. There's nothing left to say. All we need to do is just be. I am that I am. Stop being ridiculous. Stop with these techniques. Stop trying to get into the state and just be. Your SP is hopelessly in love with you. Your SP can't stop thinking about you. No one else but you. Your SP only has eyes for you. You are SP's main focus now until forever. No matter what your SP is doing or who they are with, they want to be with you. They're constantly thinking about how to get closer to you because you give them energy, you give them life. They can be 100% themselves. You add the best value to their lives. They want to make your life better because you make their life better. You are that girl, you are that man. There is no one else. There is no one else like you. Look at how unique you are. Look at the infinite things that you bring to the table. Not only that, he loves you unconditionally because you were born and you are innately enough for him. And he is enough for you. You love him, you want to be with him because that was meant to happen. It is written in the books. It is written in the stars. You would not have this calling, this attraction to him if it wasn't meant to be. He knows this and he is just as drawn to you as you are drawn to him, if not more, because he is the motherfucking man and you are the motherfucking prize. You are his soft spot because there is literally no one else like you on this planet. He seeks comfort in you. The pure sheer fact that you have this inner love, this inner attraction, this inner interest for this person is because everything is a mirror. He is reflecting that back to you also. He has those same feelings for you also. It can't not be. Whatever you are feeling for him now, he is feeling for you times 4, times 10, times a fucking billion, times infinity and beyond, bitch. Buzz Lightyear. So again, just shut the fuck up and stop panicking. Why would you need to panic when you are with him now? Why would you need to panic when you have it in the bag already? Why would you need to panic when he is in love with you? He is doing everything in his power to be with you. You are the fucking prize. You're a 5-course, 5-star meal. You're a 5-star bitch. And he wants that 5-star treatment in his life for the rest of his life because he's able to see that in you and only you. So how in the fucking hell would he not want to be with you? You are like his oxygen. You are the one that makes him happy. It's like someone who thinks that they can only pay their bills by going to their 9 to 5. They wake up at exactly 6 a.m. They leave the house at 7 a.m. to come to work at 8 a.m. on the clock every single day because they need that money to eat, to live, to breathe, to anything. Furthermore, you are like his oxygen. You are literally supplying him with your energy, with your kindness, with your life, with your interest, with absolutely every single thing that makes you you. Just like I'm breathing right now, I need this oxygen to breathe. That is exactly how he sees you. And you need to motherfucking see that too. You need to see the truth of this situation. He cannot fucking get enough of you. He needs you in his life 24/7. When he's not with you, he thinks about you. He gets recharged after being with you, and vice versa. You're learning, you're growing, you are getting better together, you're expanding together. He can't get that with anyone else but you, because you are perfect for each other. You are made for each other. Everything else is a mismatch. Everything else is motherfucking misaligned. This has all been decided already. So catch the fuck up and just be. He is in your life. He is obsessed with you. He wants to be with you and only you. He wants to be in a relationship with you. He wants to be married to you. He wants to live with you. That's it. Period.